Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma and in today's video we are going to discuss modal verb can, and trust me, this 5-minute video can be very helpful if you watch it till the end, and you will be able to use this can modal verb in your day-to-day conversation very easily. And without getting any further ado, let's get started. Yes, so let's talk about can. Can is basically a modal verb which has various meanings. We are going to discuss all of the meanings along with the example. So the very first is we use can for the ability and to show capability. For both we use this. For example, I can swim. It is my ability that I can swim. Similarly, let's take an example for capability. I can play piano beautifully. You know what? I can play piano very well. I have this capability of playing piano. So we can use can here to describe an ability or capability. Second is permission. Permission means like to give permission, also for asking permission. We use can in both of the places. For example, if I'm asking permission, can I borrow your pen? Can I use your computer? Can I take this? This is how we can ask permission. Second is for giving permission. Yes, you can go out. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can use my pen. So this is a kind of second use of can, where we ask permission and give permission. Third is offer or to request for something. For example, can I help you with your bags? I'm offering my help actually. The second is we can request for others' help. Can you please pass me the salt? Can you please do me a favor? This is how we can use it. Four is for possibility. If you have any kind of possibility, we can use can in our sentence. For example, it can rain later today. And we can also use here may. May is also a very appropriate word here, which we will discuss in next videos when I will create a usage of may. But we can also use can for showing the possibility. And this for expressing inability or impossibility. Both are different thing actually. Inability means I am not able to do something. For example, I cannot speak English because I'm not really good with it. I cannot speak Chinese as well. So the next is impossibility. Impossibility means something which is not possible. For example, she cannot attend meeting tomorrow because it is not possible for her to come here and attend the meeting. Simple. So for showing impossibility, we can also use can. So yes, these are the usage of can. In my next upcoming video, I will describe where we can use could. So yes, keep watching my video, and I am sure this video help you to know the usage of can. And if it is actually help me, just give me few sentences. You can create your own sentences with can and post me in the comment section, and I can also learn something from you. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another video very soon. Bye bye.